okay, let's move up the body to the arms. And we're talking about a brachioplasty
Hmm.
or an arm lift. It's that kind of bat wing appearance that nobody
Yeah.
wants to have.
Yeah.
So, what causes that? Is it just that the skin is stretched from being heavy, and then you're just left with a lot of extra?
Yeah, that's basically it. The same reason as the stomach and the thighs is that, there was fat there. Now that, and the arm was thick, and now they've lost the weight, and now it's just a skin hanging. If it's just an isolated thing with the arms, and say somebody has heavy arms and the rest of them is normal, we can do liposuction, and that's very helpful.
Oh,
But once the skin has lost its elasticity, then you need to tighten the skin. And
yeah.
the brachioplasty is a scar that goes from the elbow, right here at the elbow, goes along the muscle here, the biceps muscle, and then curves into the armpit. You do have a drain for that. That drain stays in for only about 2 or 3 days. As with all these procedures, it's tailoring, and you're going to have some
Hmm.
scars, and you need to
Yeah.
accept that. And the scars usually heal very well, but they are there and they will be visible.
How long would a recovery from a brachioplasty take?
Oh, a couple of weeks. It's not, I mean, in terms of exercise and so on, I would probably say upper body exercises at least a month. But you can do pretty normal things after a couple of weeks. The brachioplasty is not that invasive, and it's not that painful.
Really?
No,
Okay.
I've even
That's
done that
that's
under
good to know.
local anesthesia on a patient who insisted, and she did just fine. So I don't recommend that. I don't think that that would be, my choice, but she insisted, and so we did it under local.
Now, could you combine the brachioplasty with the breast if the breasts are being lifted and all that scar, can you make it
Oh
all
yeah,
one big happy
yeah.
procedure?
Usually, the scar from the breast, it goes underneath, and sometimes we can sort of just continue that incision up under the arm. So the breast and the arms go very well together.